Well, I did promise everybody a new side-by-side. And I also said I would be doing a road trip in it, which would have been the 2nd of December. But I'm afraid the weather was so bad on Saturday, on the 2nd of November, that we decided just to go over to the dealership, pay for it, and arrange for them to bring it to me today, which is Thursday the 7th of November, I think. Yes, Thursday the 7th of November. So here she is. She's a blue and white 2016 YXZ 1000R. Non-paddle shift. It's the proper 5-speed with a clutch. At the moment I've got the tray off because I've got the battery tender on it. Haven't wired it up yet, so it's just on some crocodile clips. Saturday I'm going to come in, put the battery tender on properly so I can just plug it in when I bring it in. Let me jump in. I'm not starting it, it's too damn noisy. So, as you can see down yonder, we've got clutch pedal, brake and accelerator. And it's all standard YXZ 1000 fare, massive rev counter, shift light, digital display, the sequential gear changer. This one's road legal, so I've got my indicator stuck over here. Lights in the standard position, 4-wheel drive. Horn and hazards on that switch there. That's flicker on. Battery is charging. Clock's wrong, I need to set that. She's done 57.6 hours. And we've got 984 miles on her. Little blinkers on the sides. I'll leave the indicator on. In fact, I'll put the hazards on. And we've got LED high mounted indicators, number plates down there, and they very kindly fitted me with a Yamaha box, and that came free of charge. So I must really thank Buxton Off-Road, where I got her from. And a big thank you to Rick. And I hope you get better soon, Rick. Because Rick was involved in a rather nasty car accident. And that was another reason why we never bought it back on the Saturday. He was still in hospital. And the lads didn't know about it. But I wouldn't have bought it back because of the weather. It was awful. So, thank you to the lads. They've thrown the box on it for me because of the inconvenience. They've also thrown 4 brand new tyres on it due to the inconvenience. It's all standard YXZ fare, 1000cc triple, dry sump lubrication, Fox Podium 2.5s all the way round. Still got all its emissions gear on. I do have the blanking plates coming to remove that. It's a really clean unit. I've just been doing a little mod. I think I can show you. We've taken the spark arrestor out, which is quite standard practice. It's still got the catalytic converter in the exhaust, but it's staying in there because it means having it remapped. But I've driven it about 5 miles, and the thing is an absolute animal. It is an absolute animal. Let's kill the ignition. Let the battery charge. Whilst we're here, let's have a look at the trickle charger, see what that says. It's putting a bulk charge in at the moment. Slowly charging the battery. Well, if I move the charger, I'll show you inside the box, because that is a really nice. It's just fastened on with 2 rubber clips, and it's a really nice addition to have on the back of a side-by-side. This is actually a 2019 box. It's the one that slopes at the back, because it's meant to go with the 2019, which has the rad in the back. But it's a freebie, and I'm not complaining because I've got some storage now. Some storage is better than no storage, and all I've thrown in there now is a few tools, socket set and a recovery rope. So once again, thank you to the lads in Buxton Off-Road for supplying the unit, bringing it to me, throwing the box on free of charge, throwing 4 brand new tyres on it that I didn't expect. And I am really looking forward to taking you out with me. And we're going to go green laning in it, do the track in the field, do some short course work in it, just generally have a really good time. So we've got a nice mirror there, centre. The outside mirrors, I'm going to drop them a little bit lower. I've got to make a screen for it. That's one of my tasks. That's what this big chunk of Perspex is here. Well, it's a big chunk of Lexan actually, but that's going to become the screen, which I'm trying to move one-handed, and it's actually quite heavy. I want to prop it up on my toolbox so it doesn't fall over. But yep, that's what we've gone out and bought. YXZ 1000R 2016, 972 miles on it, and it's the colour I wanted, the blue and the white. I really like the blue and white. Yamaha always put a roof on them, nice doors. I like the monster sticker pack on it. That's very reminiscent of Valentino Rossi's MotoGP bike. So, I hope you're all looking forward, like I'm looking forward, to going out and having some fun. Thank you to all my subscribers. Stay with me. Now is probably the best time of the year to go out and get covered in mud because the weather is atrocious. Hasn't stopped raining up here in North Wales for nearly a week. Little plug there for Derbyshire Off-Road. And once again, thank you to all the lads there for making it a really pleasurable deal. And the fact that I was able to haggle with them. I got this for a really, really good price. I'm not going to tell you how much, because that's between me and them. But I looked at lots and lots of these, and they all had over 2,500 to 3,000 miles on, and they were all going for 15 to 16 grand. Which is about the going rate for them. And I can tell you now, I'm not going to give you the exact price. I never paid anywhere near that for it. So there she is, the new toy. This is what we're going to be having fun in from now. When I get her out on Saturday, you're going to hear her, because she roars. Absolutely rips and snarls and growls and pops and bangs. Driving something this small and this light with this much power with a clutch and a sequential 5-speed gearbox on tarmac in the pouring rain up country lanes is properly entertaining. Yeah, I got drenched coming home because of not having a screen, but didn't stop me driving it like an absolute lunatic wherever I possibly could. Anyhow, good night, enjoy, and keep enjoying the videos.